Are you ready for the biggest shakeup your living room has seen in years? Because Apple isn't just updating a TV box, it's about to completely rewrite what streaming, smart homes, and entertainment actually mean. This isn't a tiny spec bump. This is Apple going all in, fusing raw power, next-gen intelligence, and sleek design into one device that could become the heart of your digital life. If you think your current Apple TV is good enough, think again. By the end of this video, you'll see your living room in a totally new way. Let's break down why experts are calling the Apple TV 4K 2025 the biggest home upgrade Apple has ever made, and why it might secretly be the most important product Apple launches this year. Performance beyond streaming. The Apple TV 4K has always been fast, but the 2025 model is rumored to pack the A18 Pro chip, the same powerhouse running the iPhone 15 Pro series. That means console-level graphics, lightning-fast AI processing, and up to 3x the speed of the last generation. From instantly loading 4K HDR movies to handling real-time gaming and even AR experiences, this box isn't just about streaming. It's about performance that redefines what a TV device can do. Apple Intelligence in your living room. Here's where things get futuristic. Apple is baking Apple Intelligence directly into tvOS. That means your TV will no longer just play shows, it will know you. It can recommend movies based on your mood or time of day, auto-summarize content, or even run your smart devices through voice control, all without sending data to the cloud. Think of it as a personalized AI butler right in your living room. Next-level wireless. Thanks to Apple's new N1 wireless chip, AirPlay and HomeKit get a massive boost. No more laggy screencasting or buffering. Everything, from iPhone pairing to smart light automations, will feel instant. Rock solid and seamless across your Apple ecosystem. FaceTime on the big screen. One of the most requested features is finally here, a built-in center stage camera. That means FaceTime calls directly on your TV, perfect for family catch-ups, remote meetings, or watch parties. With automatic framing and ultra-wide capture, your living room just became your new video call hub. Console-quality gaming. Apple is quietly making its boldest gaming move yet. The new Apple TV 4K supports console-quality titles with Metal 3 graphics, ray tracing, and ultra-fast load times. Pair it with a PlayStation or Xbox controller, and suddenly, your Apple TV becomes a serious gaming console. No extra hardware needed. The brain of your smart home. This isn't just a TV box anymore. It's the command center of your entire smart home. With HomeKit, Matter support, and Apple Intelligence, your Apple TV can manage lights, locks, thermostats, cameras, and even run automations when your iPhone isn't around. Quietly, this little box might become the most important smart device in your home. Refined design and smarter remote. Apple isn't ignoring the details. Expect a sleeker design, improved cooling, and a redesigned Siri remote with better haptics, tactile buttons, and even Find My support, so you'll never lose it again. On screen, tvOS is also evolving, with dynamic home screens, personalized AI-powered watch lists, and deeper integration with Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and iCloud Photos. Release date and price. Mark your calendars. Apple is expected to launch the new Apple TV 4K in October 2025, alongside other major products. Pricing is rumored to start between $149 and $179, making it one of Apple's most powerful yet surprisingly affordable devices.